So yesterday I posted a video and talked about Profitorial, which is a brand new app that we can use to make money online. And I share with you a real life demo and exactly how I go from zero and making $191 on day 1, and on day 2 I make over $453. So if you still haven't watched that video, make sure you check it out, link in the video description below. So in today's video I want to give you an update on my day 3 results, which I make over $769. So in a nutshell, this is my 3-day results of using Profitorial. So yesterday there are a lot of people already jumping in this brand new opportunity, and I received a lot of great feedback from my subscribers. So this is one of the email that I just received today, where she made her first sale by just simply using Profitorial. Now she made only about $9.95. Now I know that it is not a lot of money, but this is the first time she made money online, and this is such an incredible result. So in this video I want to give you another example and show you a demo on how you can make money on ClickBank by using Profitorial. So this is gonna be a very simple method, and this is available worldwide, and all you need is just a mobile phone, and you don't need any previous experience to do this. So before we get into this video, can you do me a quick favor? Can you please scroll down below and help me to like this video? That means a lot to me, and you're absolutely amazing. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to all of my YouTube channels as you can see here on the screen. Make sure you go down below and smash on the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you can be the first one to get notified when I release a brand new video. So first of all, I want you to go on to clickbank.com, and I want you to go in and click on this blue button here to sign up for a free and worldwide account. Now as you can see here, this is 100% free to join. Now right here you just have to select your country, and they are pretty much accepting people from all over the world. So right here, just put in your first name, your last name, your phone numbers, and your email address, and just put in your password, and just go and click on this blue button right here. So right now, once you're able to log in into your account, you can go on and check out their marketplace inside ClickBank. Now this is where you can find different products in different categories that you can promote and earn commission online. So in this video, we're going to use Profitorial to help us to create done for you website and help us to promote different products in ClickBank. Now make sure you keep watching because I'll show you a step-by-step demo on exactly how to do this. So right now, when you go back to ClickBank, I want you to go ahead and click on this category, which is health and fitness, and I want you to click on diets and weight loss. And that's going to take you to this page where you can find different products that you can promote and earn commission online. For example, you can promote custom keto diet and earn about $42 per sale. And say for example, this second product right here, which is Cinderella solution, you can earn $41 per sale. So right now we're going to go back to Profitorial. Now if you want to get your hands on Profitorial, I'll leave the special link down in the video description below. Click on that and you can get access to Profitorial right now. So once you come over to the homepage, I want you to go and click on this button right here to create a new website, and that's going to take you to this page where you can find different templates, which is 100% done for you. So right now under this category, I want you to click on this down arrow, and then you want to select right here on weight loss, and then right here you can find different templates. With just one click of a button, you can get a done for you website without any technical skill. So say for example, if I want to use this template right here, I just click on that, and I'm going to put a name right there for this website. So for example, I'll name it weight loss and ClickBank, and I just go and click on create, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can change and edit whatever things that you want. But the good news is that you don't have to change anything because everything is very professional and done for you, including all the articles and all the images and the entire website. As you can see here, everything is done for you. So right now what I want you to do is to actually change the link right there and just put in the affiliate links of your ClickBank products. Say for example, if I click on this link right here, and then I'll click on this purple button to change the link, and then we're gonna go back to ClickBank. Say for example, if I want to promote this product, which is custom keto diet, and earn $42 per sale, I'll just go and click on this promote button right here, and then they're gonna pop out to this page where you can see here you earn 75% commission. So right now you're just gonna click on this button right here to generate hop links. So right now you just have to copy this link right here. This is your ClickBank affiliate links. So right now we're just gonna go back to Profitorial and paste our ClickBank affiliate links right there, and just go and click on change. And this is how we can add all the affiliate links inside all of these articles right here. Now you can even add a link inside this button so that whenever people click on them, and then if they buy the products, you're gonna earn $42 over and over again. So right now you just have to click on this button right here and click on change link, and just once again put in your affiliate links. So as you can see here, I'll paste my ClickBank affiliate links and just click on change. As simple as that. that. Now once you're satisfied, just go and click on this save button down below. So once this project is actually saved, you can just go and click on this button right here to have a preview. And then I'm gonna come over to this website, and as you can see here, everything is pretty much done for you with all the articles and all the images. And the good thing about this is that when you have this kind of professional articles, whenever people read on them, they are more likely to click on your link and eventually buy the products that you're promoting, because you're actually giving value and educate people, and you're giving more trust to other people. So say for example, when people click on this link, they're gonna go over to this page right here, and if they eventually buy these products, you're gonna earn the commission. As simple as that. Now you can repeat the same method by finding different products that you want to promote, and you can just use Profitorial and use all the done for you template, and you can find different categories and just create multiple websites, and that's how you can earn passive income without any experience with just one click of a button. And one thing I like about Profitorial is that they have a built-in traffic method that you can use. Say for example, if you want to even boost these articles, you can just go and click on this button and click on traffic, and this is where you can get traffic in all different social medias without any followers, without any videos, without any blogs. You can just use Profitorial to get a lot of free traffic into your blogs right here, and then getting a lot of clicks, and that's gonna convert into commission right here on ClickBank. So once again, I'll leave the link down below in the video description that you can get Profitorial at a huge discount right now. So basically, Profitorial is specially built for newbies who have never made any money before, and they even give you 5 done for you campaigns right when you log in into your account, and can give you instant result within minutes. And you don't have to spam on your social media, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter. You can do everything 100% done for you with all the traffic built in within this application. And once again, this is fully automated, and they even give you all the step-by-step training and all the supports that you need. And you can get a huge discount and a lot of additional bonuses when you use the invitation link down below this video. And on top of that, they give you 120 days of money back guarantee. Now if you don't make any money, if this don't work for you, you can just always ask for a full refund and you get triple your money back. I mean, how cool is that? And within 120 days, which is 4 months, right? 4 months, you can try out this software. You can do it on Warrior Plus, you can do it on ClickBank or any other affiliate networks that you can earn commission on complete autopilot. Just go ahead and click on this button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can complete your purchase on Profitorial on a secure checkout page. It's only $19 one-time fee right now at a huge discount. Now make sure you grab it right now before it expires, and you can instantly save over $178, which is 90% discount. So go down below this video and click on the first link in the video description and get it right now before the discount expires. And I look forward to receive some good news from you that you make your first dollars online. Before you leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, and right here on the screen you'll see there are 2 more videos and playlists that you can actually click on them and watch it right now on YouTube. Go on and click on the video and watch it right now, and I'll show you a better way to make money online, and I'll see you on the next video.